hydrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.04% of carbon dioxide, and less than 1% of other gases. Air pressure is the amount of air being forced against a surface. Air pressure is determined by three factors: temperature, altitude, and moisture. We measure air pressure by using a barometer. Have you ever tried turning a glass of water upside down without spilling it? What do you think will happen? Yup, the water will spill. What if I tell you I can stop the water from spilling out even when the glass is upside down? Don't believe me? Come. Let me show you a simple and fun experiment to see the effects of air pressure in action. Let's get started. For this, you only need a glass, some water, and an index card. Make sure to do these experiments over a zinc or a large container. I'm using a large container. And you don't know when an accident is going to happen and all the water going to spill and your mom is going to scold you. And you make a big wet mess. Let's get started. Take the glass and take water and pour it. Make sure the water is full until the rim is wet. Now, take the index card and press it firmly. And then hold it. And then turn it upside down. And then let go. Wow! What just happened? The cup is upside down but the water is not spilling. It's magic! In this experiment, the force of air pressure pushing up on the card is greater than the force of gravity pulling the card down. So the card will stay on the glass and the water will not spill out unless if you put your hand. That's it, guys. I hope you like my experiment.